Okay, so I'm using this Tuprolith F and the Mapei waterproof fix and grout. So we took out all the old stuff over here on this tile job, and I replaced it with the Tuprolife F. That was yesterday. It's pretty firm. It's not rock hard, but I'm pretty sure it's going to support that grout pretty easily. Debating whether I should wet it a little bit. I don't think I will. This is pretty easy stuff. So just, I'm using paper wedges to get it to about the right height and everything, and then I'm taking, just lay that down now for a second, sort of one-handedly butter that up. Put some on both sides, both things. Tile. Oh, sound like the door. And until I get enough on there, I said I was going to put my gloves on because this stuff's so nasty. Now you could break a tile if you did that real easy. You give it a wiggle, and I can see it's quite low. So I have to fill that up some more until I get it just to the right height. Then I'll just carry on, and then I'll do the grouting at the same time. We got a couple places there, a couple places where I'm going to try and rub my finger over some of it with some fresh grout and see how that goes. I want to leave a joint on the bottom if I can for flexible filler. It may be that I'll just have to put the flexible filler on the outside for the sealant on the outside. So, Tuprolith and Mapei.